Welcome back to another video with Nova Armory. This is the Armorer Services videos. Today we will be working with the XDE9 and we'll be showing you disassemble, assembly, as well as a cleaning. So first off, you will rack the slide back. Then on the Springfield, you push it up in this direction to your right. Then you release the slide again and it slides right off. There's no need to pull the trigger on the Springfield for an assist. Next, you take the spring, pop the spring out. You get the barrel out next. And that is the disassembly of the Springfield XDE9. Then we'll go over some cleaning. So this is a brand new gun, so no need to make a thorough clean. We'll just go over a few places and things to do when you're cleaning a fired weapon. So you just go ahead and take your Q-tip and brush along the inside, making sure you get all the dust and some of the factory oil out. Not much to do on a brand new firearm, so should be pretty good on that. Then we'll take the barrel and we'll run the bore snake through it. You go in the direction that the bullet will be coming out in. We'll go ahead and do it 3 times just to make sure it's good. Alright, so barrel should be pretty good. Then you inspect the spring, make sure everything's looking good on there. No dust or any debris on the inside. Fairly clean. And then we'll take the lower. Just go ahead and wipe down with a slide in the lower connect. Then we will take the paper towel, spray a little rem oil on it. And we'll go ahead and wipe everything down just to give it a good coating. And after that, your firearm should be good to go. And then we will show you reassembly. Take the barrel, get it in all set, then you take the spring, slide in. You want to make sure you get into that bottom catch on the barrel. You're all set. Line everything up. Lock it back with the slide stop. Slide that back down. Clear it. Make sure everything's working properly. You should be good to go. Alright, and that's it for the Springfield XDE9. This is another video with Nova Armory Armorer Services, and we hope to see you again in the future.